Hey guys, welcome to Food Friday, and today we are making salmon strawberry spinach salad with a sweet maple vinaigrette. It's going to be a nice healthy lunch idea, dinner idea. So let's dive right in, let's get the health game on and follow along for today's recipe. First, take some walnuts or pecans of your choice, whatever you want, and we're going to lightly toast them. You can throw them in an oven, however you want to toast your nuts. I'm just gonna throw mine on a frying pan for like 5 minutes and just let them get a little bit toasted, pull them off, and we're gonna let them cool. So that's the first thing we're gonna do, and then in the meantime we'll get everything else ready to go. Alright, so next we're gonna lay out our base. So again, you can go with spinach because that's what's in the title, but I found this at the grocery store. It's a spring mix and it has lettuce and micro mustard, which is I think just sprouts. Honestly, I'm not totally sure, but it looked really good, so I'm going to use that as the base. Now that we have our base, let's now chop the strawberries, add it to that, and then I'm going to take my cheese of choice, which is feta cheese. You can do like blue cheese, whatever cheese that you think, but I think feta would go really well in here. And I also picked low fat since we're doing a healthy version. My strawberries I pre-washed. Woo! So I'm just going to take those out. It is amazing for me to catch fruit before it goes bad. So this is great. What I do is I take my thumbnail and I scoop out the green part so that you're wasting like no strawberry. Cause like guys, they're expensive. But if you don't have nails, you can do it however you want. We're just gonna slice them. Big or small, whatever you prefer. Okay, now that we have the salads ready and prepped for the meat, if you so choose to, let's go cook that. Now I am frying a fish. You can do whatever protein you want. You could do chicken. I'm gonna do fish. I would say salmon would be best, but I don't have enough of it. I do have some, but I am going to do this. I'm not sure what it is. If it's like, honestly, I'm not even sure, but it's some sort of white fish. And I'm going to just season it with butter, salt, and pepper, and I'm actually using this gourmet sea salt with ghost pepper because I like a little bit of spice. Okay, so for the dressing you only need 4 ingredients. You need brown sugar, balsamic vinegar, rice vinegar, and maple extract. This recipe here, make as much as you want. I'm just gonna eyeball it. So I'm going to make the executive decision to put some extra virgin olive oil in because I just feel like it would add more to like the salad dressing vibe. You don't have to, but I think as a chef you should kind of go at your own pace and your own ideas and thoughts. And now that that's all mixed together, pour it on your salad after you top the fish, and we're done. Here's our cooked fish. So I have whitefish and I have salmon. We're going to top it on the salad, do the dressing, all done. There you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you tag hashtag Food Friday with Samy Bee, and I'll see you on the next episode. Enjoy. Hey guys, I don't usually do follow-up videos the next day, but I just wanted to mention that today I feel really light inside. I feel really healthy. I feel fit. I feel slim. Now, I don't know if it has anything to do with anything else that I'm doing, but I definitely would have to say that it probably has at least a little bit to do with what I ate last night for dinner. It was such a big bowl of salad, but it was both filling and not filling at the same time. It was like the perfect amount, and like I said, this morning I woke up and I just feel really good, and I think all of you want to wake up feeling really good. So I not only recommend that salad because it tasted amazing, like I definitely will be making that again. That was unreal. But the feeling I get the next day, wow. I was actually just thinking you can even throw in some blueberries in there too. I think that would be really good. I wasn't sure how the strawberries and the cheese and the nuts would go together. I was a little unsure about that, and that's kind of why I thought I wouldn't really make it again. But as I was eating it, I actually enjoyed having a strawberry and a feta cheese and a nut and the fish all on the same fork bite, and it was so good. So I just wanted to let you guys know that it left me feeling very satisfied and very healthy feeling the next day. So I feel like I'm on even a better track now. I already got my workout in. I just got to get my meditation in, drinking my love potion, which is lemon water, and I'll be taking my vitamin right now. I keep them in the fridge to keep them fresher. And then I'll probably start my day off with a acai smoothie, but this is just I just throw random fruit together for smoothies and stuff. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy that recipe, and it feels really good. So if you want to feel good, make that recipe. I'm not even kidding.